Hey, I haven't done a video in a while, so thought I'd show you something. Been fishing and just work is really busy right now. So I got still some projects going, but I had to slow roll them because I got a lot going on right now. But this is for my Mercury 250 Pro XS. And there's some videos on this, but I'm gonna shoot this one because even though it looks simple, there's a little trick you can do. If you notice, this is the plug for the water, and you can see it's pretty, it's got a little mud in it and stuff. So what you want to do to take that off, and I'll show you where it is on the engine, is I've got this. Set that down. Wow, sorry. Okay, I got this. This is my 1/2-inch bar. It's a socket, so that end that goes into the socket, just use it and it'll fit right onto that guy. And then you just get a wrench, box wrench that's that side, and then it'll come out. If you try to use some pliers or something, you're gonna mess it up. So anyway, that's a little, if you try to use these, you're gonna damage it. So, but with this, you won't damage it. Clean it up, put it back in, and so where that is on the motor is right here. So you can see, it's threaded right here, and it's the same size as a normal hose fitting, and you got a rubber washer right there. So you could probably take that out, clean it up too. So I'm gonna not do, and you can replace it. I don't, it's still in good shape. So let's take a little screwdriver and pry that out, clean it up, and then I've got my hose out here. Just need to just take that, and that guy comes out of there and clean it up. And for the hose, you can just stick it back in there and seal it up. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna hook up the hose, get the right water pressure. You don't want a lot of water pressure, so turn on your hose, see how much pressure you got, start real slow, and then work your way up. I've got a coupler. It was leaking. I had to put a new O-ring in there. I'm not using this just simply because this is pretty square. It would be hard to get in there. Not going to use that. So what I am going to do is set up the camera right here. Make sure my shot's good. And then I'm just going to turn the hose on. But you don't want to put a lot of pressure, so you want to just kind of crack it, and then you can, once you got a little stream, I'm going to film this so I can see if I get any debris coming out. So I'm going to go crack it. Got pressure. Let it just build up. Must not crack that enough. It's got pressure. Alright, so you just gotta be careful. So obviously I didn't really crack it enough. I'm going to open it a little more. Seems like it's filling out the bottom. There it goes. So yeah, anyway, put your finger over that hole and it'll build up enough pressure. That's about right. Just flush it out. Flush all that debris out of there. Just gonna let it go for a few minutes and then I'll turn it off. And so there's ports underneath that, in that lower unit, and it's good to flush it out, and then also to flush this, you know. You want some debris screwing you up. So anyway, I'm gonna go turn that off. And you just put your tab back in. Just hands it. I mean, with the wrench, it's pretty tight. So anyway, that's how to flush it. Pretty simple. You know, just take your time. Should let some of that water run out. I'll let that water run out. Anyway, that's that for that.
I used to hear 'em talk